Hello, and congratulations on purchasing your Rambo bike. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to assemble your Rambo bike. This is the box that your bike will come in. Inside, you'll find another small box containing your charger. Along with that, you'll also find pedals and your decals. The tools you will need are a 4mm Allen wrench, 15mm and 16mm open-ended wrench, and some general purpose grease. Your first step will be removing the bike from the box and removing all the packaging material from the bike. When doing any work on your Rambo bike, you should start by removing the battery. This includes the initial assembly. Next, you can remove the handlebar clamp with a 4mm Allen wrench. Then place the handlebars into the stem, and you can replace the handlebar clamp by tightening down the bolts. If needed, you can loosen the bolts to adjust the position of the handlebars, and then retighten the bolts with a 4mm Allen wrench. Next, you'll want to flip the bike upside down, that way you can put on the front tire. Start by removing the front axle. You may need a 16mm open-ended wrench to loosen the bolts. Once you have the axle removed from the forks, completely loosen and remove one of the bolts along with the washer and spacer. Then slide the axle through the front tire and replace the spacer, washer, and bolt in that order. You can now insert the front tire into the front forks. Be sure to keep the washer on the outside of the forks and keep the black spacer on the inside of the forks. When inserting the front tire, be sure to align the brake rotor in between the brake pads. You can then tighten it the rest of the way down with the 16mm open-ended wrench. For the next step, you'll need your general purpose grease. You can start by removing the seat post and then add lubrication inside the seat post too. You can then go ahead and replace the seat post. Don't forget to make sure that the seat post is tight enough so the seat does not move from side to side. Next, we're going to attach the pedals. They are marked left and right. This is very important because the left pedal is reverse threaded. Start by adding lubrication to the pedal thread. Now insert the left pedal into the left crank arm and rotate counterclockwise. You can then use a 15mm wrench to tighten it the rest of the way down. Follow these instructions for the right pedal, except rotating it clockwise. Next, you can start adding your color decals to the bike. You'll have a few color options to choose from. Smoothly apply each decal to make sure that there are no air bubbles. The last couple adjustments you'll want to do is to make sure the handlebars are tightened. To do this, stand over the front wheel and hold it between your legs and turn the handlebars from side to side. If they move independently from the tire, tighten the two bolts on either side of the stem with a 4mm Allen wrench. After you've completed these steps and the battery is fully charged, you can reattach the battery to your bike. You are now ready to ride your Rambo bike. Congratulations again on purchasing your Rambo bike.